We're about halfway through January now, and this past couple weeks it's really been warming up lately, and this past week it was in the 40s most of the week, and as you can see, got some pretty serious melting going on. I think it was only about 3, maybe 4 weeks ago that we got that foot of snow, and now we've only got about maybe 2 inches left, and in some places none at all. So we're going to work on the tractors a little bit today. But I think for now we're gonna crank up the 18.6. I'm gonna need to put some air in this tire because it always goes flat. Roll the 19.9 out because I don't really feel like starting it today, and then we're gonna try and see if the SS16 will start today. Okay, so this is going to be a week-long cold crank. See how it does.